this video is we move to the second part of Manim's building block within our overall learning Manim course. In the last part is we discuss several items about the M object. So you know how to place object, how to display, how to style. And from this one is we let those M object move in Manim term is the animation. So this video we talk are quite simple animation. Just I call that as a basic, and then is we will gradually learn the animating method, runtime, how to customize animation using our countdown clock to show on the screen, and adding the coordinate system, and also finally is we will have transform an object into another object. So we learn that transform as well in the earlier samples, and also we distinguished already is between transform and replacement transform. So we just wanted to ensure is we have all of those covered within this animation context. So let's move to this animations basic. We just try to create our frame based without any fill colors this square and rotate that into the 45 degrees, or you can see that is 1/4 of pi from this calculation, and make that a little motion. So that is the 016. So let's move to our code. So and here, so I already create our second sub folder under 4 building blocks. Now let's call that is 4.2. So within that is as usual is I just create like over numbers of the video, so 0, 16, and within that is code is some animation, so just same as that animations dot py. And we will making from the beginning. So Manim import. So you can see it's popping up is a Python extension. So we also need to deal with some reinstallation because this is my another reinstalled fresh machine. So and I think it's that will be easier for us to recreate our development environment. So from that is I also using this chance to demo to you is how to make this innovation. So Choco install Manim CE. So let's using that. So once I finish this Python, so I think it's let me see, I have a Python or not, or maybe it's I also don't have a Python. Once you have a fresh installation, you may get chance to recreate some of your this environment. That will be nice. So when you put this Python, it's popping up Microsoft Store. You can use the within the Windows environment. Now Microsoft already incorporate this Python. You can use that, or you can use go to the python.org to download that Python as well. So since I will demo to you is on the fresh and clean Windows, I will accept the Windows Store edition for this time. Earlier videos, actually I go to the python.org is download that Python distribution and do that. So I will do pause and finish this Python installation first. Hello, I'm back. This is as my expected. So you can see is I check here is this Microsoft or Windows embedded Python is just stuck in this checking dependency, and it's already 10 minutes. I don't think it's I will wait on this. I will cancel. Try to see that don't bother me, and I want to go to the Python's org to make this download. Let me pause to kill that. So this one, let me go to here. I want to kill this. Let me see whether I can find this Microsoft Store here. So, gone. So sometimes I don't understand this Microsoft. The embedded Open JDK is fine. I tried that is install that instead of those go to the Open JDK, and I can run that for Java. But they do this Python package is really the disaster. So now I can go to this 3.13. So let me find our Windows installer. So it's this one, installer 34. So that is good. So you can see why I need to wait on this Microsoft Store. So here, install now, use admin privilege when install, add Python to here. So then it's like this. So just is a pop-up the admin you need to conform. So that is the black screen. And let's wait on this. So finish, then disable pass length limit. Change your machine configuration to allow program including Python to bypass 260 characters. So that is I suggest you click that and then that is a success. And let's run Python now. Oh, it's terrible. So it's back to here again. So let me close our code, then reopen that. First, let's try this here. You can see I have this 3.18, 13. So now let's back to our code quickly. And come to this terminal and run the dialog. So open Python program. So that is no need. And just come here. So let's, yeah, you can see it's already. So Choco install Manim CE. So if that is not hyphen, that is pip install Choco. You may have installed Python package into your global environment, which can cause a conflict between package version. Would you like to create a virtual? No. So let's wait on this Choco install. That is done. Then let me run this again. So the term Choco is not recognized. So Choco. So let's stop and close this again. Open that again. And make the terminal. The new machine is not fast enough. Oh, so that is interesting. Let me pause again. So I check this Windows page again. So let's use this Python pip install Manim instead. Unknown. Also here should be install. Because I don't have that Choco by default. Let's see whether this is running. And I remember is we also have our optional that latex. So charcoal, or we can use this way. Let's see whether I can install this latex. So here is install Mickey text. No. When you watch the very beginning videos, I think that gave us another different experience. So we do the another way to install. In the beginning, is on my another PC. Uh, I couldn't check detail is because that choco is may installed by some other package is working, so I use that command. But on this new installed clean PC, the choco is not working, so we back to this PIP, the traditional way. So I hope this also working for our Manim part. And on the earlier PC installation, is that this latex was not working. And now it looks like we can use this PIP to install LaTeX package. I hope that also can help us to run this as well. So once this finished, we will do our, because that animation basic is very simple. So let's try to see here. So if I run this one, if there's no arrow, then that means it's, oh, you can see from Manim is no module installed as Manim. So let me see whether we should also install this Manim CE. Looks like that also have some other collections, certain dependency, and after this I will close the code, then open that again to make sure they can read our installed package. Sometimes that is the issue. This I don't post so that you can see the progress of installation. Here is the numbers of this package, like this Pango CFFI PY. So those looks like it's quite many packages using this Manim CE, not only the Manim. And the py dump or pillow is also installed now, SciPy. So that is the important part. Typing, let's see, building. That is install so many, and the NumPy is here. So if we without have that one, I don't think we can run this Manim. Color is good. PyDub, so those are the dependent package. And here Manim CE. So I hope it's after this one we can have those. All those are the additional full list of this package with Manim interact within some way. So tiny text, let's leave that later on. So to see whether that have some issues. I post to let this build. Now this is finished, and you can see the Manim is getting the recognized. If I run this, is from Manim import everything. So that looks like it's generate error still. Let's reopen the code. But I think it's the package is there. So that is one good thing. So let's run this again. Open a terminal. I close this another two. Close this one. Let's see. So what's this running? You have installed Manim from Manim CE, which is depreciated and no longer updated. Please uninstall this and install this one. So let's do this testing because I keep using this Manim CE. So let's continue work on that animations. And we have this scene. So let's starting to try to have our code basic. So construct self, and I create one square equal to square. No need any others. So this square is not seen, is also not recognized. Self dot play fade in. So that is away. So let's run that. Look like it's we need to use the Python. Oh, so let's see. So pip. Oh, oh, so uninstall, right? Yes. And the pip install Manim. But if we install Manim and they will mention that it cannot work, then they have some internal conflict. So that is the interesting part on this new PC. So let me pause again. This is really interesting. So now you can see I got some error. So get requirements to build this wheel didn't run successfully. So trace back on here. So if I want to do the troubleshooting, so using this install build dependency. So I'm not quite sure it's possible that due to I have some privilege issue because this one I'm not by default have the local admin. So, but this one is the administrator privilege. So let's install Manim to see whether here is we can finish this compiling and build. Let me pause. I keep getting this one, so I will make this video stop here, and for this 016, I will make the continuous 017 to finish this animation. On the offline, I will do this troubleshooting, but I give you also this live demo is if you move to another new PC, so everything you need to start from scratch. So that can generate different issues or problems. But those are also the interested part for us to learn the program. So I will try to investigate is what's the reasons for this. Then let's see in the next video, I will report you back. Bye for now.